Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Desi TV USA. Now let's take a look at very special news. Good morning. The nation comes together to honor the legacy of former President Jimmy Carter, whose contributions to the United States and the world left an indelible mark on history. After a life of service and compassion, the 39th president remains have arrived in Washington, D.C. for 3 days of mourning. Here's a detailed look at the ceremony planned to commemorate his extraordinary life. The body of former United States President Jimmy Carter has arrived in Washington, D.C. for 3 days of solemn ceremonies honoring his remarkable life and legacy. Carter, who served a single term as the nation's 59th president from 1977 to 1981, passed away recently at the age of 99, leaving behind a legacy of public service, humanitarian efforts, and unwavering dedications to peace and democracy. Carter's remains were transported to the U.S. Capitol, where he will lie in state, a tradition reserved for the nation's most extreme leader. The public will have an opportunity to pay their respect, reflecting on the life of a man who not only served as president but also championed global causes such as human rights and poverty alleviation. His presidency, though marked by challenges including economic struggles and the Iran hostage crisis, laid the foundation for his post-presidential work that earned him the Nobel Prize in 2002.
You came to this country for a brighter future for you and your loved ones. You've made it this far. Now it's time to become a citizen. With citizenship, you gain the right to vote, access to federal jobs, the ability to keep your family closer, and the freedom to travel with a U.S. passport. These are just a few of the benefits waiting for you when you become eligible. We're here to help you through the process with free resources and personalized guidance. Together, we can make it easier. Get started at becomeacitizentoday.com.
Following the laying in state, a state funeral will take place at the Washington National Cathedral on Thursday. The service will bring together dignitaries, family members, and citizens across the country to celebrate Carter's contributions to the nation and the world. Leaders from various political affiliations had praised Carter's integrity, humility, and lifelong dedications of humanitarian work, from his leadership at the Carter Center to his hand-on effort with Habitat for Humanity. Jimmy Carter holds a unique place in American history, not only as the oldest living former president but also as a figure who dedicated his life to making the world a better place. His commitment to peace, equality, and the fight against disease and injustice has left a lasting legacy that transcended policies. As the nation mourns, this moment also served as a celebration of a life well lived, one that epitomized the values of compassion, humility, and unwavering service to humanity. Now, as the ceremonies unfold over the next 3 days, we remember Jimmy Carter not just as a president but as a global humanitarian whose work inspired generations. So join us for ongoing coverage as we honor a leader who devoted his life to serving others. So thank you for watching and thank you for support. So this is me, Tabinda, signing off. Stay tuned for more news, DCTV USA, DTVNN, and our OTT platform, DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.